In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Revolut. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going over to our crypto section at the bottom right. So there we click on crypto. And from here, we are going to click on trade. And in here, we already see Bitcoin popping up because it is by default sorted on market cap. But let's say you want to search for Bitcoin and you click on the search bar, you type in Bitcoin and then you click on Bitcoin. From this screen, we are going to click on buy. So it is at the bottom left. In this screen, we can enter the amount we want to buy Bitcoin in. And I'm going to go with €2. And when you're finished entering your amount, you're going to click on review order. And in this screen, you are going to confirm your order when everything is right. You can also select to invest weekly, but I'm just going to confirm my order. And when you click on confirm order, your Bitcoin will be purchased. And this is how you buy Bitcoin on Revolut. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.